Do you want to increase the level of religiosity within your family? If you do, then I have a very, very simple solution for you. And that is to begin ta'aleem in your house. To begin a daily reading Islamic book in your house, even if it just be for 10 minutes a day. And for this, I would recommend particularly Riyadh al-Salihin by Imam al-Nawawi, which is a Arabic book, compilation of hadith, and there are also good English translations available in these common bookstores. Now, let me just give you a short story of the power of this ta'aleem initiative. There was one family where the father decided, I'm going to start daily reading. And when he started this initiative, his wife, his daughter, they weren't too interested. And so what he did was he thought, well, you know what? Let me start myself anyway. And so he would sit down and, the poor cat, which they had in their house, she would sit with him sometimes, and he would do ta'aleem and he would read to the cat. Time passed like this. 6 months down the line, one day, Allah put in his wife's heart that your husband has been doing this every day for 6 months. Why don't you join him? And when she joined him, she started to benefit from it. She started to see the importance of it. And slowly, even their daughter started to join them in these sessions. And it led to huge changes in their lives. They went from dressing in an un-Islamic manner to becoming women who dressed in a modest way and who were much more devout in their religious practice.